Hello, and welcome to another Matrix Configurator how-to video. In this particular video, we're going to be discussing custom patterns and how they work. Custom patterns are patterns that have been cloned from the serial light bar's standard, arrow stick, and steady patterns. You can also create clones of other custom patterns. In the Actions column under the serial light bar output device are the standard, arrow stick, and steady pattern groups. For today's video, we will be working on the pursuit pattern located in the standard patterns group. Next to the pursuit pattern, you'll notice a clone icon and an emulation icon. For today's video, we're going to clone the pursuit pattern and edit it. Click on the clone icon to bring up the pattern designer screen. Here, you will see a physical representation of your light bar, telling you the series, the length, how many light engines, the template that you are cloning, and how many steps are included in this particular pattern. Also notice the colored LED images which represents each color included in each light engine on the light bar. For instance, the driver's side front first position light engine is a red, blue, white. And in this first pattern step, the red color is on. Below the light bar is the pattern step slider, which describes which step you are working on and the duration and how long the step will play for. Simply move the slider to each new position and you'll see the change in the pattern sequence for that particular step. Below the pattern step slider is a play button, stop button, and an emulation speed slider, which allows you to slow down the pattern to see how each light engine participates in the step. Click the play button, you'll be able to see how the pattern is emulated. And if we slow it down, you can see each step and each light engine and how it's turning on and off. Now let's go ahead and edit one of the steps. Let's go back to step 1 and we'll edit a few colors on the light engines in this step. On the driver's side front 2 positions, we're going to change the red color in step 1 to white. And on the passenger side front 2 positions, we'll change the red to white as well. And just to show how this works, we'll change all of the rear bar to amber. Let's go ahead and play this. And you'll see after that white amber pop that the white engines are on in the front and the amber's on in the back. And we can slow this down to see the changes. Now let's go ahead and turn some of the light engines off in this step. So we'll go on step 1 where we had changed the white color front driver's side and passenger side and the rear of the bar to amber. We'll turn all these light engines off in step 1. You can do this by simply clicking the LED that it was already on, which will turn it off. Now you'll notice none of the colors are on, which turns the light engine off completely. Go ahead and play this, slow it down a bit, and there you'll see the light engines are off in that first step. Let's go ahead and save this pattern. We'll call it Pursuit Copy. Hit save, and let's close the pattern designer. Let's collapse the standard patterns. And here at the bottom of the serial light bar output device is the custom standard patterns action group. Let's expand that and you'll now see the pursuit copy action listed. On this pursuit copy pattern, there are 4 options to the right. You can either clone this to a new pattern, edit the pattern, delete the pattern, and emulate the pattern. Please note that if you delete the custom pattern, it will be removed from any saved configurations that are reloaded into the system where the inputs contain that custom pattern. Of course, as with any other action, you can select an input on one of the input devices, simply drag and drop the custom pattern onto it, and now the brown-white wire, when it's activated, will play the serial light bar custom standard pattern pursuit copy. I hope this demonstration on how custom patterns work has been helpful, And if you need to know anything else about the Matrix Configurator software, as usual, you can go to the Help menu, How-To videos to learn more. Thanks for watching.